If you're looking for a beautiful diesel pusher, check out this 2020 Holiday Rambler Navigator 38N. This coach is equipped with full body paint, 3 roof ACs, a power awning, and more. Heading into the coach, you'll see there are 2 big main slides in the living room, one of which is a full wall slide. Easily sleep 8 people in this coach. You've got a king bed, you have the bunks located in the hallway, you have a sofa sleeper, and you have the overcab bed. Also, this coach is equipped with 2 full bathrooms, so you have 2 bathrooms with 2 toilets and 2 showers. Each bunk is equipped with its own entertainment system. The Master King bed also has power tilt for the headrest. You can sit up and read a book or watch TV. The Navigator 38N also comes with a washer dryer. If you're in the market for a 2020 Holiday Rambler Navigator 38N, give us a call. We'll answer any questions you have and are happy to send more photos of